always ensure that your hurdle is level for a much more accurate reading. Now we'll check our measurement again. A lot of the times when we're doing a site set out, you'll see guys use framing nails. There's nothing wrong with using frame nails. The only thing that I see is that whenever we're hitting that, we're knocking this more than we need to. What we want to try and do is reduce the amount of movement, and the way I see that we reduce the amount of movement is that we just use a screw gun. It's quick, it's easy, it saves in time. And it doesn't take too much energy. See that? Quick, easy, spot on. This end I've already got a mark here. I'm just going to double check anyway. The hurdle itself is well out of the way, but you just need to always make sure that you double check all your measurements and you never assume. That's perfect. Now what I can do is make sure that this measurement and that measurement add up. I've done it down that end, and then I can just clarify my measurements from there, running measurement all the way across so we can get establish all of our building lines, and then we can take it from there. There we go, spot on. To tie the string line off on a simple set out, I create a loop on the end, slide my finger in, and then just roll it 3 times, 2, 3, and then I slip that over my mark. Now, one hand pulls the string line in, the other hand pulls the string line out, and it tightens this string line up. We don't need to over tighten it, but we don't want it under tight. We want the string line to be fairly consistent in its... We want the string line to be fairly tight with very little sag. Now, I want to keep my string line in the middle of my screw or my nail. So what I do is once I've done the 3, I bring the string line up on itself, roll it around the back, then under the string line, over the mark, under the string line, over the marker, under the string line, over the marker. What that does is it keeps the string line then where it needs to be. To finish off, I can just turn it on itself and twist it over. That's not going to go anywhere now. So here now we've got our boundary line running up, we've got our rear building line running across, and what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that this internal here is square.